next task is going to be to cut this beam here, probably about the same height as this, and then put a 2x4 from here to here, all the way across, okay, to create that, recreate the support that's there, kind of like making the header. Oh, can you see? Okay, so from here to here to here is where the cross member is going to be. So this will remain. Cut this here, remove this, and the purpose is to have full access to the valve so that when the sink, the vanity goes here, you can have an access panel. So I'll box this out, and then when you remove the access panel, you'll be able to access the valve. You should always have a means by which to access the valve because you never know what will happen. Whether it's inclement weather and something bursts or something just over time goes bad, it's good to have an access panel.